What's up, guys? Steve here for Cut Breaking Out. We're getting ready for tomorrow's 17-18 premiere. It was supposed to be today, but the regatta got our number this time. We're live. Good luck. We will see you tomorrow for these breaks, but we'll get our teams done here now. We just filled up the last spot, 444, just turning 445. Here's your list. Jason to Terry, Anaheim to Winnipeg with Vegas hiding in between. So we got 31 spots, 31 teams here, and again, 445. We'll start with the teams. 1, 2. I did say we were live. I did. 2, 3. Timestamp on 3 and 4, as always. Third timestamp is at 4:45. 4:45, and last and final. Fourth and final timestamp says 4:45. 4:45 it is. We got Anaheim started on top and finished on top to Vegas. Anaheim to Vegas. And Detroit to Columbus. There's your teams. 4:45 still turning 4:46. And there's your names. 1, 2, 3 is the timestamp. Timestamp on 3 says 4:46, 4:46, and last and final will do it. Let's match them up. Last and final timestamp. Last and final, come on, is 4:46. 4:46. Craig, top spot. Dave, you got Vegas at the halfway mark. And then Alan down to Mr. Cito. All right, folks, there's your teams. We'll post them in the comments. We'll see you this time tomorrow for the break. Best of luck.